Nepal is famous for adventure tourism activities, especially trekking and mountaineering. It is also known as the land of Sagarmatha. Thousands of people from different countries come to Nepal every year to climb Mount Everest and other peaks, which creates jobs for local people. It is also the main source of foreign currency of Nepal. Our pristine beauty of the Himalayas is being spoiled by pollution and heaps of garbage. This year, Nepali Army has initiated to clean up 6 most crowded peaks: Mount Everest, Mount Lhotse, Mount Pumori, Mount Amadablam, Mount Dhaulagiri, and Mount Makalu. Our company, Peak Promotion, is appointed as a service provider for this noble job, Mountain Cleaning Campaign 2021. We have executed very well despite of COVID-19 pandemic and adverse weather conditions. We have collected 27.6 tons of garbage and handed it over to Avni Ventures for recycling in Kathmandu. We hope our government will continue the mountain cleaning campaign and keep our mountains clean in the upcoming days as well. We feel very much honored to work with Nepali Army as a handling agency for Mountain Cleaning Campaign 2021. Thank you, Nepali Army, for your concerns, initiative, and exemplary leadership for the conservation of our beautiful mountains for future generations.